In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Epson Ecotank ET-2760 and ET-2750, and this works also with many other models that are looking just like this one. So the first step is to make sure that your printer is turned on. Once this is turned on, you're going to press the home button, the one with a house. Press it once until you have this menu appearing on the color screen in front of you. The second step is to select settings, and to do so you just have to press a few times the right side arrow until you see settings appearing. Usually it's a cog wheel, and then once you have it in front of you and selected, you're going to press the OK button. This will open a new menu, and from this menu you're going to press again a few times the right side arrow until you see in front of you the option that is called Restore Default Settings. You're going to press OK again to confirm and enter this new menu. Once you're there, this is the last thing you need to do really. It's to press again a few times on the right side arrow until you see Clear All Data and Settings. Once you see this option, press again the OK button. The printer will take a few seconds and usually this will reset. What you have to do now, just to make sure, is to turn off your printer by pressing the power button once, shut it off, and then power it back on again and start using it. If you're still having issues after doing this thing, what you can do is to unplug it from the wall socket during about 5 minutes. This should solve many issues, and yeah, you should be up and running again. If this was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.